Una mattina mi sono svegliato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono svegliato e ho trovato l'invasore. Oh partigiano, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Se io muoio da partigiano, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bachelor's Ke Rasoi. Today we'll try how to make desi ghee at home. Actually, this process takes a lot of patience because it is not a single day task. What we need a cream of milk. मैं आपको बताऊं कि कैसे I was collecting the cream for almost last 7 days. So every day I used to boil milk, and after boiling I will give some time so that the cream will settle at the top. And this cream I was collecting. This cream I was collecting, and from this cream we'll make ghee now. Okay, you'll see how to make it. So guys, here I have collected almost little more than half a bowl of cream from the full cream milk which I was getting from the market. So now I will separate it into two parts. Like first half I'll put in the mixer, and for mixer I am putting because we need to churn it. इसको we need to churn it properly so that the fat molecules get separate from the cream. So those fat molecules we call it as butter. So we'll see it. Stay tuned. Here I have taken almost half of the cream and put it in the mixer. अब मिक्सर में we need some water also. So I'll put almost 2/3 of water glass. It's the normal water at normal temperature. तो इसको मैंने डाल दिया इसमें. And then we need to stir it. Stir with the help of mixie. ठीक है. We'll see after stirring how it comes. So just look at this, guys. We have mixed cream with 1 glass of water, and after churning the butter has come on the top, and at the bottom you can see this is the buttermilk, we can say it. Okay, so now we need to separate the butter from the buttermilk. So for time being I just collect it in different vessel. So now guys, we'll put the remaining cream also, and we'll repeat the same process. So guys, here one thing, if you see, I just let the mixture to rest for some 2 minutes, and now you see how clearly the butter has come on the top. See, if you can see it, right? So you need to let the mixture rest after churning it for 1 minute, okay, so that the butter it takes time to come on the top. Okay, so you can see it clearly, I think, correct? So now this will pour it outside. So now if you see, there is a lot of butter on the top. So what we'll do, we will let it rest for some time, almost half an hour. So all my dear friends, the wait has finally yielded some results. The butter has come very well on the top. Now the folks who like butter can keep it as it is, but the people who like ghee or who need ghee, they need to pull out all the butter in a separate vessel to start the process of ghee making. Okay, so guys, butter is taken out and buttermilk has left. See, I never felt so good for butter, but today, as I have made it at my own, it is so much delightful to watch. And now we will keep it on flame, and a very low flame, lowest flame. You need to heat it at a really low flame, otherwise it will come out. Okay, so it will take at least it may take 15 minutes to 30 minutes, we'll see that how much time it takes. And I've started heating it, so almost we'll see that how ghee comes out of a butter. Okay guys, stay tuned. Guys, it is just 2 minutes and see it has started to come out. वही मैं बोल रहा था, इफ़ यू कीप इट एट हाई फ्लेम देन ये उबल के जैसे दूध उबलता है ना वैसे बाहर आ जाएगा. सो यू नीड टू कीप इट एट द लोएस्ट पॉसिबल फ्लेम और बीच बीच में स्टर करते रहें. एंड सी विद इन 2 minutes ऑल द बटर हैज़ मेल्टेड and the process of ghee making has been started, but still it's just a melted butter. We need to see once the transparency starts coming. So guys, almost 14 to 15 minutes हो गए हैं. See, ghee has become more transparent, butter has become more transparent, और जो मिल्क सॉलिड्स हैं वो नीचे सेटल हो गए हैं बॉटम पे. See, so almost it has taken 15 minutes to get the ghee ready. थोड़ा और गर्म करेंगे हम 2 मिनट तक, ताकि जितने भी सॉलिड्स हमें दिख रहे हैं इट विल सेटल डाउन एट द बॉटम. सो दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस वी हैव डन एट स्लो गैस फ्लेम विच इज़ द लोएस्ट वन. ओके, एंड गाइस द घी इज़ रेडी ऑलमोस्ट. जस्ट कपल ऑफ मोर मिनट्स. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, सी आफ्टर 2 minutes ghee is completely ready and the milk solids are there at the bottom. Okay, so when you have to stop it, you have to stop it when the bottom portion you see has turned into brown color. Okay, so all those milk solids have become brown and the transparency you can see clearly. The bottom of the vessel is visible. So now we have successfully made ghee out of cream. Guys, घी जब ठंडा हो जाए तो उसको एक अलग बर्तन में निकाल लें और फिर इसको खाने का आनंद लें. गाइस, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मैंने आपके लिए बहुत मेहनत से घी बनाया, आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें प्लीज़.